Okay, Assalamualaikum. This is my final year project 2, and my topic title is Smart Waste Segregator System. Smart Waste Recyclable Segregator System. Okay, so here I have several rubbish to throw, and as you can see, I have annotated each compartment. So for now, the first one, this is dry compartment. This one is for metal compartment, and this one is for wet compartment. Okay, first I'm gonna try it for the dry compartment. So the trash in goes into the dry compartment. As for metal, it spins to the metal and spin back to normal. So for wet compartment, I'm gonna use a wet thread, which I'm gonna dip in the water. Okay, as for wet compartment, I'm gonna put the wet compartment. I'll spin to the wet compartment and go back into the wet compartment and spin back. So as you can see at the bottom, this is my first servo. I have insert 2 servo. As you can see at the bottom, there is one big servo which is using 5 volt of energy. And for the wiring circuit diagram, so this is the circuit for my smart waste segregator system. As you can see, I am using Arduino Uno, and if you see closely, the red cable is connected to 3.3 volt. The purple cable is connected to 5 volt, and the black cable is connected to GND, which is ground. Okay, so going to the port, as you can see, the green cable, this green cable is for proximity sensor, and for proximity sensor I have put into port number 13, and I have extended and I've put here, and I've labeled it D13, and from D13 next to it is the cable of the proximity sensor, which is this one, proximity sensor. Next is cable orange, which is number 9. I've connected to the servo, and for the number 6, which is the orange cable 2, this one I've connected to this servo that is going to hold the compartment that is going to spin. Next, I have cable number 3, and the cable number 3, which is labeled as green cable, port number 3, this goes to the IR sensor, which is this one. This is the IR sensor. And last but not least, cable number 1 and O1 is this capacitive sensor. As you can see, capacitive soil moisture sensor. Okay, for the power, I'm using the Arduino cable, Arduino Uno cable, and it is connected to my PC. And for the breadboard, this is the in between that is going to help by connecting my sensors to Arduino Uno. So for 5 volt, for the red cable, I've put here, which I labeled here, 5 volt, and this other cable, jumper wire, I've connected from my sensor that is going to use the 5 volt, which is proximity sensor and capacitive sensor, my servo, and my another servo. Next is the ground. I have labeled 2 grounds. This is because all of my sensors requires ground port. So from my port, from this ground, which is black, I've put here. Okay, and then the other one is for my IR sensor, my proximity sensor, my servo, my another servo, and the capacitive sensor. Okay, and since I have five sensors, I need to extend by using this white cable. So from this ground, the last one, I've extended to here and add more ground cable of sensors. And this is what I've talked about before. The D13 is the proximity sensor. And last but not least, I would like to thank to Universiti Tenaga Nasional for having me throughout the whole degree or bachelor, and it has been a pleasant year and a pleasant experience with the Universiti Tenaga Nasional itself. You guys should check it out. And I would like to thanks to my supervisor, Puan Marina. I would like to thanks to my examiner, Puan Sarah, and I would like to thanks to both of my panels, Sir Surizal and Dr. Aziza. And I would like to thank you all for this whole journey of final year project. It has been great with my final year project. And last but not least, cheers to everyone.